This time we got it. We got a feeling. Giveaway in an hour and 4 minutes.
We're going this way.
I just gotta be more careful this time. I'll not get shot. I guess that applies. I timed him out that one day, just that one day. Everybody behaves in here, man. You know, I haven't had anybody troll or nothing, man. I've had people come in and say, "Hey, you're lame," and leave. You know, big deal. I don't care about anything like that, man. You know, you gotta be able to take it. If you're going to be on the internet, you gotta learn how to take some trolling. You know what I'm saying? You can't get mad and flip out. But most people here behave themselves. So I haven't had to time anybody out, really. I've had a couple little fights here and there, but no big deal. Man, he wigged out on that one dude. He said he was going to kill him and find him and kill him, or I forget what it was exactly, so I timed him out. He's still here right now. He ain't going nowhere. He's probably going to stalk and kill me. I don't know, man. I should be worried. He's a good dude, though. He just lost his temper, that's all. I understand. I used to be young, man. Alright, get up there. Yeah, I don't like to. I like to keep the chat flowing, you know what I'm saying? Everybody here is pretty cool.
This is where the deal's meant.
This is where the deal's going down. Alright. Get the sniper rifle going. I only got 11 bullets, man. I should have restocked. Alright. Alright, we're going to get back here. Can I jump down there? Yeah. We'll take a bunch of them out right here. What if I can do it without them seeing me? Just play it cool and they will leave you alone eventually. I hear you. Over a stream. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It doesn't bother me, man. I don't care. See, they're shooting at the other guy. They ain't even looking at me. Come on. That guy's shooting at me. That guy's shooting at me. Take him. Come on, jump out. All these guys are dead over here. Get a little bit closer. I can take that dude out. Wait for him to stand up again. He's dead. That guy just peeking his gun out. I think I can tag that guy. Bam! Oh! A little bit closer, I can get that guy. Bam! That guy. Now I have to get against this guy. Bam! Damn, I'm out of. Well, now I got to go out of old school. All right, hey, what's up, Patrick Mouse? Welcome to the stream, buddy. Don't worry about it, Coolio, man. I'll turn that robot off. I forgot yesterday. Come on, jump over the... There we go. Hey, where's the guys at? I need to get here. I know I'm gonna have trouble now. Alright, now what? Okay, he's dead. Reload. Oh, he's right behind me. I didn't even see that guy. Okay, reload. Alright, now I get the truck. Alright. Okay, here we go. We ready? I'll wait for Packie. Come on, Packie. Get in.
All right, Nico, you drive. I'll take out anyone who tries to follow us. We're going up to Ray's lockup in Westminster off of Union Drive West.
I was hoping that would bust through that. Alright, let me get the controller back going here. I can do this.
You ain't no fucking match for me.
Okay, here we go.
They're taking this real serious, aren't
Come on,
they?
Packie, shoot him.
Like to be robbed, I guess. Not many people do. And that's a lesson I've learned. Fucking Pacino said it'd be easy. Good thing I enjoy a good rush.
Oh, God.
Hell? Is it Chinese New Year already? There's a box of grenades in here. Pass some up, Packie. I'll give them a taste of their own fireworks.
I'll smack a lot bigger assholes than you. Jesus fucking Christ!
LB.
You should have backed off a long
And then
time
release an
ago.
LB. Alright.
Jesus, you can't drive in the city without hitting some asshole.
This truck's too big to maneuver in.
Some advice. Don't get up.
Bam.
I'm gonna put you down. We got cops in the vicinity, Nico.
Yeah, I got the cops after me now. Great. What's that happens when you throw grenades everywhere, huh? Welcome back, Cameron. Good to see you, buddy. But there it is. I can get to it.
You ain't no fucking match for me. Liberty City's finest and just over there.
Did I make it? I think I did. Alright. Here, cool. Let me fix that thing real quick here. Wait for this mission to be over and I'll take that thing off here. I did forget about it.
Safe and sound. Whole truckload of it.
I don't want you to be all mad, man. You're one of my first followers, man. I'm glad you're here. Actually, I thought you would like that. The Master Bot saying that to you. I think it sounds funny.
Savior couldn't have done it without him.
Nico, move it. You work for these Miss Bastards.
Fucking Kenny.
I work for whoever's paying. I might
All
give you a call
right, we beat it.
sometime. Get in back.
55 minutes till the giveaway.
I'll catch you around, man.
What's up, Cameron? Hey to you, brother. All right, come on, save and we beat it. Bam. Okay. Let me fix that thing for you real quick there, Coolio.